Welcome! If you've ever wanted to quickly find photos or videos you were tagged in on Instagram, but only from the past month, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the simple steps to filter your Instagram tagged posts by the past month, using the latest features as of 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, at the top right of your screen. Give that a tap to open up the main menu. From here, you'll see a list of options. Tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram stores all your interactions, including posts you've liked, comments you've made, and, most importantly for today, the posts where you've been tagged. Next, tap on Tags. This will show you all the photos and videos where others have tagged you. If you've been tagged a lot, this list can get pretty long. But don't worry, filtering makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. At the top of this page, you'll see the Filter by Date option. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with several time frames to choose from. Select Past Month. Instagram will now instantly filter your tagged posts, showing only those from the last 30 days. That's it! You've successfully filtered your Instagram tagged posts by the past month. This is a great way to keep track of recent tags, manage your online presence, or just revisit your latest memories. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date social media tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.